Adding a debit card to a Apple Wallet is a simple and secure process that allows you to make payments directly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. So to begin, you're going to open your wallet app and, on your device. Open it up. Once inside the app, you're going to tap on the plus sign located at the top right corner of the screen. This is going to prompt you to add a new card. Next, you're going to be asked to either scan your debit card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. You can choose to scan. So, position your card within the camera frame, and Apple Wallet will automatically detect and input the card information. If you prefer to enter the details manually, you can type in the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the card details, your bank card issuer may require to verify your identity. So this can be typically done through a text message, email, or phone call. So follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Wallet. Now your debit card is ready to be used for contactless payments through Apple Pay. You can make purchases by holding your phone or your Apple Watch near a payment terminal that supports Apple Pay. Let me know if this helped.